Greetings from TaiyangNews. I'm Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. The team of TaiyangNews is on the floors of Intersolar Europe, the largest solar show of the continent. Currently, I am at the booth of CAPSSUN, a new encapsulation material supplier from Turkey, and they are going to tell us what they are promoting here at the show.
Hello, I'm Kaan. I'm the production responsible for CAPSSUN Plastics, and right now in Intersolar we are promoting our products EVA, EPE and POE to our European customers and European shareholders, and we also develop new technologies for encapsulating materials like no acid, anti-acid EVA and 4 carbon and 8 carbon POE and EPE, and we will be developing more products as we go on. Thank you so much.